Please welcome Slikc to the stage.
Nah, I'll be alright. Hello, everybody. I'm gonna put this down. I usually don't. I'm Slikc. Shout out to Shrayla as always. So, yeah. Let's chill. Let's settle down. That's what I wanna do. Just me and you. Let's chill. Let's settle down. That's what I wanna do. Just me and from that first time I saw your face, girl, I knew I had to have you. I wanted to wrap you in my warm embrace. Visions of your lovely face. All my love is for you. Yeah. Whatever you want, I will do. You're the only one I want in my life. Yeah, for you I'll make that sacrifice. So let's chill. Let's settle down. That's what I want to do. Just me and you. Let's chill. Let's settle down. That's what I want to do. Just me and I'm so happy to have you here, standing right by my side. Shawty, is it a dream or reality? If it's a fantasy, please don't wake me. All my love is for you. I hear you. Yeah. Whatever you want, I will do. Oh, you're the only one I want in my life. Yeah. For you, I'll make that sacrifice. Let's chill. Let's settle down. That's what I want to do. Just me and you. Let's chill. Let's settle down. That's what I want to do. Just me and you. Forever and ever, ever and ever, That's what I wanna do. Just me and you. Let's chill, chill. Let's settle down. That's what I wanna do. Just me and you. Let's chill, yeah. Thank you. Keep that going for Sharayla.
Who did it? Lock the doors. Who did it? Thank you, Slikc.